Hello everybody and welcome. Today's going to be a fun video. As you know, I did a speed test here, testing chill and standard mode. Today I'm going to purchase the sport option, increasing my 0 to 60 speed by half a second. I'm going to place that order. Currently it's 9:58 a.m. Let's see how long it takes for it to arrive. We'll get the car charged up. We're currently charging at 11 kilowatts. We'll take it out today. We'll use Draggy, and we can test exactly what that half a second looks like in real time. All right, the car just reset. I missed that here on the camera. But let's take a look here on here. Bam! Look at that, it's 10:01. We now have sport mode. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No taking it to the dealer, no taking it anywhere. I ordered it online within a minute. Just like that, the car has at least 30 or 40 more horsepower, increasing my 0 to 60 speed to at least a half a second. We'll take it out once we're charged here and test it on our normal test track. That is so cool. You can purchase an option on your phone, have it sent to the Wi-Fi in your car. Within 1 minute's time, my car has added 30 to 40 horsepower. Don't you hate that? You get a phone call right in the middle of the video. As I was saying, I'll get the car charged up here and I'll take it out in the track later on today. We'll use Draggy like we did in the first test, and we'll do a test for sport mode now. The car is now charged to 90%, same as the first test. So let's hit the road. We're heading over to the test run location. Draggy is installed where it was last time, and like I told you before, it's magnetic on the back, and when you let it go, listen, sorry, there, it stays where it's supposed to be here magnetically. All right, so that's where it was before. Our app here is communicating with Draggy, and I think we're good to go. I will tell you the accelerator is much more active. Just heading out on the highway here to the test location. This test track that I run on is a long ways from the house. All right, we're here at the test track. It is about 12.5 miles from the house. It's quite the hike here. All right, getting ready for run number 1. We are in sport mode here. This is the acceleration boost sport mode. There's our telephone pole. We'll reset Draggy. All right, we're good to go. Okay, let me go to wide. On 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, holy crap.
30, 60.
Holy mackerel, jeez Louise. That's almost as fast as my Performance Model 3. Wow-wee. All right, so let's set this up here and check it out, what we got. Wow, that first run was fast. 4.3 4.33 seconds, 87% battery. It is 75 degrees and the sun's just come out. All right, we're going to set up for a second run here, and then we're going to run a couple at chill mode just to see if there's a differential there. All right, this will be run number 2. Here we are. Got to reset draggy. I can do that with one hand. There you go. All right, I think we're ready to go here. On 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh,
30, 60.
Wow, Jeez. I'll tell you what. Let's have a look at draggy and see if it liked that or not. All right, let's look.
30.
That was 4.28 seconds, 0 to 60. And we're going to run it in chill mode here next. That's substantially faster, from 4.7 to 4.28. That's great. All right, we'll set it up and do run here in chill. Wow, that was a car. This place is not very busy here. Okay, we are set up in chill. Let me reset draggy. I'm not sure what mode I'm in. Okay, draggy's reset. I think we're ready to go here. On 3 in chill. 3, 2, 1, go. Holy mackerel. That's nothing.
30. 60.
Wow. All right, we're just going to pull up here. We're not going to run 2. I just wanted to see if there was a big differential between the old chill and this one. Let's have a look here. Something else I noticed, the accelerator has been changed in the what I call the speed arc, and that's essentially what you do to press on it and how fast it's going to go with the amount of pressure you put on it. Whereas with the standard long-range speed, you have to push more on the pedal to go a little faster. But now with the speed boost, I would say that you get less into the pedal before the car really starts responding, which I guess is good. Most of the time I run on autopilot and it's driving, but when you're actually manually driving it, having the ability with very little movement on the pedal is handy. There's an additional thing that I think has changed as well, and that is the one pedal driving ability to slow down. Essentially, the regenerative braking appears to be even more regenerative braking with this mode, which is handy because when you come up to a stop and you need a little bit more braking, having a little bit more isn't bad, considering all that energy is going back in the battery anyway. But I do believe with the speed boost, we've got more regenerative action, which is just fine with me. This test track I run is almost 13 miles from the house. It's way out in the country, and I live way out in the country. It's even further out in the country. Anyway, I would say for $2,000 plus tax, and you're looking to increase the speed of your Tesla, and I'm assuming that Model 3 and Model Y will be very similar in that speed boost, I would say you would not be disappointed in the speed change from the stock, which is very fast, and to the speed boost. I'm back home in the garage, 81%. We used 9% in all those tests. We did 2 high-speed runs. We did a chill run here. Quite a bit of difference. So let's recap here. Let's have a look at the actual numbers. From my first test in the first video, if you haven't seen that, you might want to look down in the description. However, the first run in chill, was 7.63 seconds. That's about right. There's not a lot of speed there. Second chill run was 7.7 seconds. They don't claim any kind of speed, 0 to 60 in chill. However, it's really to save energy. Let's have a look now at the what I called sport, which really should have been labeled standard. The standard mode was 4.8 seconds for the first run. The second run was 4.82 seconds. Both very fast. If you compare it to most fossil fuel cars, it's way faster. In sport mode, using the speed boost, our first run was 4.33 seconds, 0 to 60. Very fast. About half a second faster. Felt very fast in driving it. The second run was 4.28 seconds. 4.28 seconds is the fastest this car has ever gone 0 to 60. Of course, not as fast as the Performance Model 3, but extremely fast for most cars. I would bet that it's probably faster than most vehicles out there. And then I did a comparable chill run here with the speed boost, no change, 7.61 seconds, 0 to 60. So what did we figure out here? The takeaway from all of this is that you can add over a half a second of speed to your vehicle. Why do you need speed? Speed is a interesting thing. It's not to race the slow fossil fuel cars sitting next to you. It's more about driving the car and having the available speed should you need it. You know, it's one of those things that it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. You spend the money, it's there. You need to get out of trouble. Maybe somebody's backing out of a driveway. Maybe somebody is coming at you and you need to get over. Whatever the case is, having the ability to hammer down and get out of the way of somebody is really important. Hope you liked all these videos. As you can see, it's a pretty fast car when you add the speed boost. Yeah, I know, it's not a Plaid Model S, but it also, you can buy 2 or 3 Model Ys for what you paid for your Plaid Model S. If you liked today's video, go ahead and click the like, and I would ask if you would, please subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.